Namaste. Yesterday was Kala Bhairavashtami, also called Kala Bhairava Jayanti, when Kala Bhairava, who is an intense form of Shiva, is worshipped. On this occasion, I present to you Muthuswami Dikshitar's composition Kala Bhairavam Bhajeham Anisham in Bhairava Raga. This Bhairava Raga of Carnatic music is not the same as Hindustani Rag Bhairav, but it has similarity with some Bhairav prakars, some varieties of Rag Bhairav in Hindustani music. That is not Bhairav itself, but Ahir Bhairav, Anand Bhairav, and one variety of Virat Bhairav. I have presented all these Bhairav prakars in my recording of the Kala Bhairava Ashtakam, 8 verses in praise of Kala Bhairava, which I uploaded last year. Today I will present to you the Carnatic Bhairava Ragam, Muthuswami Dikshitar's composition Kala Bhairavam Bhajeham Anisham. This composition is inspired to a very great extent by Shankaracharya's Kala Bhairava Ashtakam, but it also has Dikshitar's own imagination in it, Dikshitar's own creativity, I must say. So the temple of Kala Bhairava is in Kashi, in Varanasi. I will only sing the composition because I have not yet learned this raga properly, so I cannot do an alapana yet. So I will just present the composition based on the notation in the Sangeeta Sampradaya Pradarshini, which was published in 1904. And that is considered the most authentic source of Dikshitar's compositions. Of course, it will, like the way I sing, it will be infused with a few modern gamakas, but still it will sound quite different from Carnatic music as we are accustomed to it. So here goes Kala Bhairavam Bhajeham Anisham. भूतेषु कालभैरवं भजे। नारदादिमुक्त श्यामगात्रं नारदादिमुक्त श्यामगात्रं नागयज्ञसूत्र विचित्रं नारदादिमुक्त श्यामगात्रं नागयज्ञसूत्र विचित्रं क्रूरतर पापदण्डन चतुर्भुजं क्रूरतर पापदण्डन चतुर्भुजं गुरुगुहप्रियकरं दिगम्बरं क्रूरतर पापदण्डन चतुर्भुजं गुरुगुहप्रियकरं दिगम्बरं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वाञ्छितार्थफलदानचिन्तनं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वाञ्छितार्थफलदानचिन्तनं धीरतरं विधिकपालधरणं धीरतरं धीरतरं विधिकपालधरणं देवराजसेविताब्जचरणं कालभैरवं भजेऽहमनिशं क्रूरतर पापदण्डन चतुर्भुजं गुरुगुहप्रियकरं दिगम्बरं वारिजासनास्य कृन्तनं वाञ्छितार्थफलदानचिन्तनं धीरतरं विधिकपालधरणं देवराजसेविताब्जचरणं कालभैरवं भजेऽहमनिशं काशीपुरवासं भूतेशं कालभैरवं भजे। Thank you. Namaste.